Let us start with exercise 2.3. 2.3 plays a very important role in board exam, okay, as far as this polynomial is concerned. Question number 1 says you have to divide the polynomial px by the polynomial gx and you have to find the quotient and remainder. Both the polynomials are given here, okay. You have three parts in it. I'm just taking first part for now. So you have both the polynomials mentioned here, okay. So first thing you need to check is the power of the variables should be in decreasing order, okay. Here x power is 3, x power 2, x power 1, and here x power 0. Constant term, so x power 0. So the powers are in decreasing order of a, okay. Here also power is 2, here power is 0. Again we have a decreasing order. So first thing is to check the decreasing order of the power, okay. Now if you need to divide this, we have to put this in this order, okay. This px will be the dividend and gx will be the divisor. Now dividing the polynomials have specific rules, okay. Now first we need to see the first term only, okay. Here first term is x cube and here first term is x square. So when you divide this x cube by x square, you will get x. So you will multiply this complete expression by x, okay, and this x will come in quotient like here, and this x into x square will be x cube, and this x into minus 2 will become minus 2x, okay. So we cannot, as it will be minus 2x, so we cannot write it below the x square term, okay, as we are getting x here, so write it below x only. Now we need to subtract this, okay. So this plus x cube and minus x cube will get cancelled. This plus 5x plus 2x will be 7x. When you subtract the part, the polynomial in the bottom part changes its sign, okay. So this plus becomes minus and minus becomes plus. So here we get 7x, okay, and this minus 3x square will come down and this is plus 7x. Again we'll just see the first term. Here we have minus 3x square. Here we have minus 3x square as our first term, and here we have x square. So when you divide this x square gets cancelled and you will get minus 3. Put this minus 3 in the quotient and multiply this minus 3 with this divisor. So minus 3 into x square will give you minus 3x square. Minus 3 into minus 2 will give you plus 6. You need to bring this minus 3 down here, okay. Now again when you subtract, sign will change. This minus will become plus, this plus will become minus. This minus 3x square plus 3x square, this will cancel out. This 7x will come down. Minus 3 minus 6 will give you minus 9. And now it cannot be further divided, okay. When we have to stop, the degree of this is what? Degree is the highest power of variable. Variable is having a power of 1. So degree of this polynomial is 1. Whereas degree of this polynomial, that is highest power of x, is 2 here. So degree of this is 2. When the degree of the expression becomes less than the divisor, then you need to stop. So here we get the degree as 1 and here we get the degree as 2. So we need to stop it here, okay. So this will be the remainder. This will be our remainder, and this x minus 3 will be the quotient, okay. I hope you understood this, okay. This division is division of polynomials, okay. I hope you understood this. This is the only method to solve this. Let us move to the second part. Now here in the second part, again px and gx are given to us. We need to divide px by gx and get the quotient and remainder, okay. So again first we will check whether the power of x are in decreasing order or not. Here the power is 4, power is 2, 1 and 0. So this px is in decreasing order. But here if you see, it is x power 2, here x power 0 and here x power 1. So it is not in decreasing order. So first we need to arrange this, okay. So this can be also written as x square minus x plus 1. Just rearrangement is required, okay. Now this is x power 2, x power 1 and x power 0. Now it is arranged in decreasing order of power of x, okay. I hope you understood the first step that we need to take, okay. Now here one more change is there. Here we have direct x power 4 and directly we have here x power 2. We don't have any term like x power 3, okay. So when you write this, just be careful, it is x power 4. You can leave a gap here or you can write 0 into x cube, okay. Just if x cube term is not there, then coefficient we can take as 0. because when 0 is multiplied with this term will get vanished. Okay, and next we have minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. This we have only taken just to avoid any mistakes. Okay, and this will be x square minus x plus 1. If you are not taking this 0 into x cube, it's okay. If you are very thorough with this solution, it's okay if you are not taking this. Now again we'll proceed with first term. Here is x power 4 and here it is x square. So when x power 4 is divided by x square, this will cancel out. It will be x square only. So we'll multiply this complete divisor by x square. So x square into x square will be x power 4. If you are getting first term same, then you are doing in a right way. Okay, first term should be same. X square into minus x, that will give you minus x cube. X square into plus 1, that will give you plus x square. Again when you subtract, sign will change. This plus will become minus, minus will become plus, and plus will become minus. This will get cancelled. Always the first term will get cancelled. Okay, this x cube, 0x cube plus x cube will give you what? X cube only. This is minus 3x square and minus x square. This will be minus 4x square. And we are taking this plus 4x plus 5 down. Okay, we are bringing it down. Now again first term is x cube. So x cube, when it is divided by here, first term is x square. Then this will cancel out. You will get x here. Okay, now again you will take plus x here. So this will be plus x into x square, that will be x cube. X into minus x, that will be minus x square, and x into 1, that will be plus x, like this. Okay, now again change the sign. When it will be subtracted, sign will change. This will be plus, this will be minus, this will get cancelled. Minus 4x square plus x square, that will be minus 3x square, plus 4x minus x, that will be plus 3x, and this plus 5 will come down. Okay, this 5 will come down here. Again we have minus 3x square as our first term here, and here we have first term as x square only. So this x square will get cancelled and you will get minus 3 here. So minus 3 will come here in the quotient, and minus 3 into x square, that will give you minus 3x square. Minus 3 into minus x, that will give you plus 3x, and minus 3 plus 1 will give you minus 3 only. We are multiplying this minus 3 with this complete expression. Okay, so this will be plus, as sign will change. This is minus and this is plus. So this will get cancelled. This will also get cancelled, and here we will get remainder as 8. Okay, again here the degree is 2 and here the degree is 0. That's why we need to stop it here. Okay, so you will get this as remainder and this as quotient. Okay, this was the solution of the second part. I hope you understood this thing. Now third part you will solve, and if you have any doubt, please comment down below. I will solve it for you. Question number 2. It says you have to check whether the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial by dividing the second by first. Okay, it is exactly similar to the first question, just it is changing the terms. Okay, it's just changing the way of asking. Again this will be the px and this will be gx, as we have done in first question. Okay, so I have written in this form. It is already arranged in the decreasing order of power of variable, that is t here. Okay, in px also, in gx also. That's why I have completely copied that thing here. And we need to divide it here. We need to check that this is a factor of this or not. So if we need to check this, we should get remainder as 0. If we are getting remainder as 0, then we can say that this is factor of this. Gx is a factor of px. If you are not getting remainder 0, this will not be a factor of px. So just we need to divide and check the remainder. Let's proceed with the division. Again our first term here is 2t power 4. So we'll take 2t power 4. And here we have first term as t square. Okay, when you cancel this, you will get 2t square here. Okay, now this 2t square will come here in the quotient. This 2t square multiply this t square, you will get 2t power 4. 2t square minus 3, you will get minus 6t square. Again we are taking here because we are getting t square term. We cannot write it below t cube. Okay, when you subtract this, you will get here minus, and you will get here plus. This will cancel out. We will get 3t cube here, and this minus 2t square plus 6t square will give you plus 4t square, and you will get minus 9t minus 12 here when you take this down. Now again proceed in same way. You have first term as 3t cube. 3t cube is the first term, and here we have first term as t square. When you divide this, you will get 3t. Okay. Now again you will take this 3t in the quotient. 3t multiply t square will give you 3t cube. 3t into minus 3 will give you minus 9t. Like this you will get. Okay. Again when you subtract, this will change the sign here. It will be like this. This will get cancelled. This will also get cancelled, and you will get here 4t square, and here minus 12 will come down. Okay. Now again first term is what? 4t square, and here first term is t square. Again when you divide this, you will get 4. This 4 will come in quotient here, plus 4, and plus 4 multiply this complete expression. 4 into t square, that will give you 4t square, and 4 into minus 3, that will give you minus 12. Again when you subtract, this sign will change like this, and this will cancel out, this will cancel out. We'll get the remainder as 0. So we will write the statement, since we get remainder as 0, therefore gx is a factor of px. Okay, or this polynomial is a factor of this polynomial. It is exactly similar to first question. Okay, we have not done anything different from first question. Okay, just we need to check the remainder here. Let's proceed with second part of this. In second part also two polynomials are given, and we need to check first is a factor of second or not by dividing this first polynomial by second polynomial. Okay, as we have done in first part. So again we have taken this as gx and this as px. Again if you see, the power of x are arranged in the decreasing order. Okay, here power is 2, power is 1, and power is 0. It is arranged, and this is also arranged 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. So we can directly copy it here in this format. Okay, now again we'll divide as we have done till now. This is first term is 3x power 4, and here in divisor we have first term as x square. So when you divide this, you will get 3x square here. Okay, so put this 3x square in the quotient. 3x square into x square, that will give you 3x power 4. 3x square into plus 3x, that will give you plus 9x cube. 3x square plus 1 will give you plus 3x square, like this. Okay, again when you subtract, you need to change the sign. This will be minus, here also minus, here also minus. This will get cancelled. Plus 5x cube minus 9x cube, that will give you minus 4x cube. Minus 7x square minus 3x square will give you minus 10x square, and you will bring this plus 2x plus 2 here. Okay, again if you see, first term is minus 4x cube, and here our first term is x square. So when you divide this, you will get minus 4x here, and again you will take minus 4x in the quotient. Minus 4x into x square, that will give you minus 4x cube. Minus 4x into plus 3x, that will give you minus 12x square. Minus 4x into plus 1, that will give you minus 4x only, like this. Okay, again subtract, so you will change the sign here. This sign will get changes. Okay, this will get cancelled. Minus 10x square plus 12x square will give you plus 2x square. Plus 2x and plus 4x will give you plus 6x, and plus 2 will come down here. Okay, again here first term we have is 2x square, and here first term is x square. So when you cancel this, you have to divide this by 2. Again you will take this 2 in the quotient here. Okay, so 2 into x square, that will give you 2x square. This 2 into 3x will give you plus 6x, and this 2 into 1 will give you plus 2 here. Again when you change the sign, this will be minus, this will be minus, this will get cancelled, this will also get cancelled, and this will also get cancelled. So you will get the remainder as 0. Again, since we are getting remainder as 0, so we can say that first polynomial is a factor of second polynomial. Okay, again you will try the third part of this, and if you have any doubt, just comment down below. I'll solve that problem. Okay, thank you.